Hi, this video is just a short demonstration of how to add a piece of work to the student journal or to student journals, and how you can do that as a teacher. And this is also how your students will add work to their own journal using their interface. So the way that you would do that is you go into your dashboard. So I'm actually looking at my class again. This is my class's dashboard. Can tell that's me, the number of classes that I'm attached to. Okay, so this is my journal. I need to add something to my student journals, something that I've seen the students do and I've taken a picture of, for example. So I'm going to click on this green plus symbol called the artboard. So I'm going to click on that. Now that gives me the options. I can share an activity. So if there's a particular activity I want my students to do, I can do it that way. And we'll do one of those in a minute. I can post to student journals or I can send announcements. So I'm actually going to post to student journal. This brings me to my post to student journal menu. These are the options of things that I can post or students can post to journals. So they can do a photo, take a photo and post that. They can take a video, or like a selfie video or a video of an activity and post that. They can do a drawing and post that. They can add a file, they can do a note, or they can add a link. In this instance, I'm going to add a photo. Hi. So it opens up my webcam and gives me a picture of me or whatever my webcam is looking at. If you're doing this on a phone, it's a lot, or an iPad or a tablet, it's a lot easier because it will open up your tablet. So I'm going to take a photo of me holding this really cool sign that tells the kids about cross country in week 1. So obviously I center it in frame. I click on the green camera button at the bottom, or I can use the space bar to take a photo. Again, if you're using a phone, it's just like taking a selfie. So click, yay, happy with my photo. I'm going to click my tick to say I'm happy with it. Now, I then get presented with some options that I can do to my photo. I can rotate my photo. I can record. So if I like, I can click on this record microphone button and then record my voice telling the students, don't forget it's cross country on Thursday. Make sure you bring a water bottle and hat and runners. If I choose, I can do a drawing that attaches to this particular image. I can label the image. I can caption this image. So I might just put a caption in, cross country, Thursday, week 1, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Don't forget your runners. Yay. Click tick because I'm happy with my caption. Okay, fantastic. Happy with my photo, happy with my caption, happy with my reflection on that. So I'm going to click my artboard. Now, this takes me to the menu where I can select which students this particular photo will attach onto their student journal. So I can cherry pick students, so I can decide, oh look, this particular photo is something that Elisa might be interested in, or Angeline, or this is an example of some work that these guys did. They were working in a group. These three girls were working in a group. So I'm going to attach it to their journals. I can attach it to just one student. So this is something Elisa did, and I thought it was fantastic. So I took a photo of it and I'm attaching it to her journal. Or I can attach it to everyone in the class, which you just do so by ticking the checkbox on the side, on the left-hand side of the student avatar. So again, everyone, you obviously click the everyone box. Particular students, you just click next to their avatar / name. Okay, so I'm going to do this one to everyone. I'm going to go, yes, this is what I want to do. Tick to say go ahead, confirm, and then the image uploads. So then you will see this is now attached onto the class journal. All the students now have one item in their journal, which is this particular image that I've just created now. Okay, you can tell it was uploaded by me and it was attached to everyone. So I can then, add more things. I can go into this particular image. I can like it. I can comment on it. I can put in further caption if I like. I can add a skill. and I can put a folder. So I'll show you how to quickly create a folder and pop this image as part of that folder. So if you click on your folder button, now I'm going to create a folder down the bottom. The folder is going to be called School Events. Okay, and I'll make it, let's do grey. Create folder and done. Okay, so there you go. So that folder's popped up in my folder list for this class. I'm happy that this particular image will have this tag school events with the tick there. So that's now tagged it as school events. So that's how you would add a piece of work to a student journal or student journals. Thanks.